Have you ever driven an old car, like really old? Steering it was tough, wasn't it? Luckily, our vehicles today come equipped with power steering, but neglect it for too long and your CR-V may be turning like a Model T. If you got a minute, I've got your tech tip for power steering maintenance. Power steering has come standard on vehicles for so long that we sometimes take it for granted. But your power steering system isn't foolproof. It takes occasional routine maintenance, most notably the power steering fluid. Just like all other fluids circulating inside of your vehicle, over time, the power steering fluid gets contaminated with impurities. These impurities can cause premature wear and damage to your steering system components. At Ryan Honda of Minot, we recommend a power steering fluid exchange every 30,000 miles to maintain optimal protection and lubrication of the system and its components. You may also need to have your power steering fluid exchanged if you have weird noises or screeching when you steer, experience jerky or jumpy performance, or you sense a change in the ease of steering. At the end of the day, routine maintenance is all about your vehicle performing its best for as long as possible. At Ryan Honda of Minot, we'd love to help you make that happen. So let's get started. Give us a call or schedule your service online at ryanhondaofminot.com.